God, it's cold. Hello everyone, my name is Jacob. Welcome back to GSCN videos. Welcome back to my Mazda MX-5. Today is Sunday, the 6th of December. I just wanted to do a little recap for this week, and actually I would like to make a mini series of that. Let me just put the radio down a little bit. It's currently 4 degrees, so no, that's good for a rear-wheel drive car, but it's not freezing or anything. So let me just adjust my wing mirror and just wait for the car to warm up, because I definitely don't want to ruin the car. And I'll just put my keys in the cubby hole so it's not making too much noise. You might actually be able to see the frozen air coming out of my mouth. I don't know how much the camera is getting it. So before I set off, as for what happened this week, apart from my channel, well, at least here in UK, the lockdown ended as of Tuesday evening. So as of Wednesday morning, well, actually even I could come back to work. Me being in car sales, we were shut. So it's quite good, because I was getting a bit bored at home, and you know, it's one of them, just a bit of change again. As for otherwise, if we stay with the COVID part, UK government approved the vaccine. I don't want to go too much into the details, or whether I approve it or not. I would leave it to other people, but I might miss out on that. So as for the channel goes, this morning we've reached 212 subscribers, so thank you all for that, and I hope there is plenty more to come, because there is plenty more of my content to come, and that's 100% guaranteed. So as the car is warming up, let's start with the recap of what I've posted. At the moment I'm actually concentrated on the short videos, just to make it nice and snappy, and to be able to upload every day basically. So on Monday I've uploaded a video that I upload basically every Monday, which is part of my Living with Mazda MX-5 series, and that was me driving with the roof down, enjoying the weather, and you know, talking about the experience, because it is an experience and half driving a convertible, you know, especially with a noise track like that. And that's even just a standard exhaust, you know. I'm planning to do something about it, but not yet. And yeah, it's just a brilliant drive. On Tuesday I was looking at the new Rolls-Royce Ghost. Actually the car was introduced to the market in September, but I kind of missed out on that a little bit. So I'm talking in short about the Rolls-Royce Ghost. I'm gonna put the links on the videos just below my video, this video I mean, so you can go and watch them afterwards. So I was talking about the new Rolls-Royce Ghost, technologically most advanced Rolls-Royce ever. Obviously it's the smaller sibling of the Phantom 8. It's got the 6.75 litre V12 engine with 2 turbos, producing, I think it was about 571 PS, which is, well, plenty enough, you know, and it'll have a lot of torque. I think it was over 700 Newton meters for a car of its size. Obviously it's quite necessary. It's got all the new technologies, including special cameras in the windscreen, where they monitor the road in front of you and adjust the bumper rebound basically based on what they see in front. So the ride is as comfortable as it can get, really, you know. And there is plenty more about the car, really, you know. I'm just thinking, it's not really raining, let's put the roof down, you know, because why not? Yeah. I'm quite short, so obviously doing the lag chase is a bit of a challenge for me, but yeah, it seems quite nice. Got heaters going on now, so it's all warmed up, so let's set off. So as I said, on Wednesday yeah, on Wednesday we had the end of lockdown, so I was basically talking about that as part of my MX-5 series. Normally I don't do MX-5 series on Wednesday, sorry, I do it only on Monday, but I thought it'll be a quite nice touch on Wednesday afternoon. Then I believe I was talking about the new Jaguar F-Pace SVR, facelifted version of the F-Pace, and in honesty I think that was a really good touch, you know, because if you looked at the previous SVR, apart from color and couple of exhausts, it wasn't special enough, you know. So we've got the same power, slightly higher torque by 50 Newton meters in the lower range, which is what was necessary. And basically you've got refined exterior and interior design. So in the exterior you've got more of a race car style appearance, so it makes the car look a lot better and a lot more special, especially in the SVR blue paint. The interior was revised as well, and the car got a new screen with a more responsive infotainment, and overall it got refreshed. You've got the digital instrument cluster as well, which is quite a nice thing, and yeah, overall quite nice upgrade, and I think it would make people more interested in the car and make them buy it instead of buying like a Range Rover SVR, you know. Because if you look at if you look at the pre-facelift version, it wasn't special enough. I actually had a customer coming to buy some parts for his car, and he came in the Range Rover, in the Jaguar F-Pace SVR, the pre-facelift version, obviously, and he said he was too boring, so he put a Luma body kit on it. So if you want to look it up, it's LUMMA. It looks absolutely crazy, you know, and he put some crazy exhaust on it as well, and it made the car come alive quite a lot actually. So now you probably wouldn't need to do that, because the design of the car is pretty good on its own. On Friday I've started my new technology series, automotive technologies, as I was driving a 2017 Skoda Superb. I was demonstrating how the adaptive cruise control works, so if you want to find out more about that, please have a look. Again, the link is below, and basically I'm just explaining and showing how the adaptive cruise control works, because you would be surprised how many people don't know how to use it or what it actually is. And that brings us to Saturday, which was last night. Basically, I've uploaded a video about Tesla. Actually, to be honest, it was about its market share value, because it reached $600 last night. Actually, it was Friday night, and just a little thing how how much it's affected by what Elon Musk does or says, and yeah. So how much Elon Musk does or says, and how much it affects the value of his shares and Tesla shares and SpaceX shares, and basically that's the kind of reason how, and yeah, the reason why he became a second richest person in the world at the moment. Yeah, and that brings us to today. So by the time you see this video, I'll be shooting another video for tonight, because I don't want to miss out on any video, short video, any day, at least for a few coming weeks. Today again it's Sunday, so we'll be looking at the EV series, where I've got a Lotus Evija for you, the new electric hypercar from Lotus. Basically it's a car that should bring the brand alive again. It should have almost 2000 PS, I think, in power, so that would be quite interesting. Okay, let me just put the windows up. I don't know whether you will be able to hear me otherwise. I hope you've heard me before. We're only driving through the city, so it's fine. So yeah, that's covering the videos for this week, covering the kind of events for this week. And as I'm coming to work, I would like to thank you for watching again, and I'll see you very, very soon. Cheers.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.